Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PowerSchool how to look up S1 grades. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To look up S1 grades in PowerSchool, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your PowerSchool application, then enter your district code and be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the grades tab from the dashboard, then look for the section labeled S1 Semester 1 or Term 1. It will show final grades and assignments for that term. Simply tap the cross to see the details. You can also use the browser by simply heading over and opening up your browser, then on the search bar typing in PowerSchool.com and then logging into your student portal. Then from the main screen, simply select grades and attendance and look at the S1 column under each class. Then lastly, click the grade to view detailed assignments, comments and scores. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.